Prakash Jha's web series Ashram has attracted flack ever since it first announced its release. Bobby Deol, starred on MX Player, didn't go down well with many for hurting religious sentiments. In the series, both season 1 and 2, Bobby Deol plays the role of self-styled godman who is convicted and serving jail terms. Time and again, netizens initiate various online campaigns and demand the ban of such shows. Ashram being the latest in the ban list, Twitter has been flooded with questions like, why do Indian filmmakers target Hindus and show saints as rapists? Here are a few tweets that ask similar questions. Ban Ashram web series for defaming Ashram and traditional Hindu education system for insulting all the sadhus by showing them as a corrupt rapist. If it's about one fraudulent, why to defame entire Hindu saints by showing this? Oh Hindus, raise voice against this. Yes, absolutely correct. We will not tolerate denigration of Hindu saints and sadhus. When will Bollywood learn to respect saints? While many are criticizing the web series for showing Hindus and saints in bad light, others are questioning if filmmakers would dare to make such series or movies on other religion. Every web series in India is defaming the country on a global level. By maligning the image of sadhus and saints, it is showing Hinduism and ashram culture in poor light. Will Prakash Jha and Bobby Deol dare to make movies on Bishop and Maulvis? This is not the first time when such hashtags have been trending on Twitter. Recently, netizens questioned Netflix special Bulbul and even Anushka Sharma's show Patal Lok. Netizens claim all these movies and web series are made to downgrade the Hindu religion on a global level. But the question still remains, do filmmakers ever consider showing issues related to non-Hindu religion through their films? According to film critics, filmmakers choose content based on their interest and capability and not with the intention to hurt anyone. In the past, there are no example of movies being done on other religions. However, critics believe that the filmmakers of different countries with different religion and culture might be facing the same issue as the Indian directors when it comes to making films. Many believe series like Ashram are inspired by true incidents that have been exposed in the past. But netizens question, don't such incidents are reported in other religious places too? They even claim that Indian filmmakers fear to make movies on non-Hindu religion. Let us know what you think about such incidents and the recent religion-based web series and movies like Ashram.